Arutwo a cukuru wa Trident Technical and Medical College ni makoretwo magitabania mirurungano kwa ihinda rĩa kiumia kimwe magiukirira ikinya rĩa arugamiriri a thukuru uyu ni kwa kumandikithia na kanjo ya igeranio. Undu uyu ni ureganitwo naguo ni murugamiriri wa cukuru uyu Faith Mwende uria ugite arutwo aria mekire igeranio ni megukorwo makinyita maumirira mao ica ikuhi. Mwende akiuga thukuru uyu ni ukuhingwo kumana na mathina ma kimbeca.
I had to close the school because it was very tough for parents who can't afford school fees. It's a private school or college, and therefore the fees are slightly higher than the government schools. Therefore, I had to shut it down, and therefore now we are in the process of clearing the ones who have completed their courses.
Mwende ni ongereire kuga ati arutwo amwe ao ni monete mieke thukuru-ini iria irutanaga mathomo o ta macio.
We had about 105 active students, active meaning that they're the ones who we had them there. And as at now, we have cleared about over 70 students. We have about 25 more students to go. 75 have already been cleared. Collected their transcripts, we have cleared them, all of them, and they are happy. And they have signed the forms that they already collected their transcripts. Now the other 25, we're in the process of clearing them.
Riu arutwo ni morite arugamiriri a thukuru uyu matigirire othe ni mona mieke ya guthomera thukuru ingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngigi wa Kinyanjui.